Hey everyone, let's talk about something super useful today. We're gonna solve a really common problem by turning that amazing camera you've got in your pocket into a high-quality webcam for your Windows 11 PC. And you know what the best part is? You don't need any extra cables or paid software. It's awesome. Let's get right into it. So you might be asking, why would I even bother with this? Well, for starters, maybe your laptop's built-in webcam is just broken. Or, and I think this is more likely, you're just tired of looking like a grainy, pixelated mess on your video calls. We've all been there, right? The quality on those things is, let's just say, not exactly stunning. And listen, the benefits here are just huge. First off, you're getting a massive quality upgrade, totally for free. You're going from blurry to crystal clear. But it's also about flexibility, you know? You're not stuck at your desk anymore. You can literally walk around, show something on the other side of the room, get that perfect camera angle, all while streaming straight into your favorite apps like Zoom, Google Meet, or even OBS. And that's exactly what this is all about. We're solving all those webcam headaches by using the powerful camera you already have on you every single day. So let's get this thing set up. Okay, first things first, we've got to get your Android phone prepped. And don't worry, this part is super quick. It's literally just a few taps, and we're going to walk through it right now. All right, go ahead and grab your phone. The first thing you're going to need is the Link to Windows app. A lot of phones actually have this pre-installed, but if yours doesn't, no big deal. Just grab it from the App Store. Once you've got it open, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. And this is key. Make sure it's the same one you use on your PC. That's how they talk to each other. From there, it's pretty straightforward. Just tap Continue, and then allow for those first permissions. Okay, just a couple more taps and we're golden. The app's gonna ask for permission to run in the background, and you need to let it, because that's how it works as a camera. So tap Continue and allow one more time. And that's it. Hit Done. The phone part of the setup is officially finished. See? Told you it was easy. And just like that, the phone is all set. So you can put that down for a second, and now we're gonna hop over to your Windows 11 PC to get everything connected. All right, we're on to part 2. This is where we actually tell Windows, hey, look for my phone's camera. To do that, we're gonna dive into the Settings menu. Okay, so over on your PC, just click on the search bar and start typing mobile device. You'll see mobile device settings pop up. That's the one you want. The very first thing you'll see is a toggle that says allow this PC to access your mobile devices. Go ahead and flip that switch to on. It might ask you to sign in here, and you know the drill. Use that same Microsoft account from your phone. We are so close now. We're in the home stretch. You should see your phone listed right there in the settings. Make sure the main toggle for your phone is on, and then, this is important, make sure the camera feature toggle is also switched on. Now for the final handshake between your devices. Click Allow Permissions on your PC. That's going to shoot a final confirmation over to your phone. Just pick up your phone, tap to approve it, and that's it. You are officially connected. And there we have it. The setup is totally done. All that tapping has paid off. It is time for the big reveal. Let's see your brand new, super high-quality webcam in action. So to test this thing out, just open up the normal camera app on Windows, and boom, there you go. You should be seeing the live video feed straight from your phone's camera. Now, here's a quick pro tip. If for some reason you don't see anything, just make sure your phone is unlocked. Sometimes you have to tap a little notification on it to really kickstart the stream. Now take a look at your phone screen. You'll see this really simple little control panel. And honestly, this is one of the coolest parts. It lets you switch between the front and back cameras on your phone, just on the fly. So you can be showing your face one second, and then with a single tap, you're showing something on the other side of the room. You have total control over the view.